Okay, YouTube. So today I have an unboxing slash review on a particular carabiner that I came across Amazon. As you know, if you watch my previous videos, I do have I think it's one or two videos on a carabiner. I love carabiners. I think they're helpful, and I like to carry my keys with one of them. So this is the magnetron carabiner. Uh, this is a GM climbing swivel. These are my keys. So this is a carabiner that I usually carry, but I came across a different one on Amazon, and I wanted to show it to you guys. Um, so this is the box. I obviously opened the box already, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of the box. There's nothing in there. And the name of this particular item is Rock D ANSI LP with lanyard steel carabiner. So it's a stainless steel carabiner. I think the price on Amazon, if you give me a few minutes here or a few seconds, I can look that up for you. I think it's I came across it. I think it was interesting. This thing is heavy. It weighs about 9 ounces. And the price on this particular carabiner on Amazon is, I believe it was $50. It's $50 even. $50 even on this one. Plus shipping, of course. I am a Prime member, so I get it usually 2-day delivery. But yeah, this is the manufacturer, Rock Exotica. This is 100% made in the U.S. And it says gray gear for the Z-axis experts use only. Yeah, so let me show you what this is all about. The way this works is it's got this pin right here, this stainless steel as well, and this is removable. So you'll be able to remove this set screw in here, so you can remove this pin if you don't wish to have it there. And the way how it works is in order for you to open it or unlock it, you gotta twist, you gotta push down, twist, and push. And then once you let go, it goes back to the same locking mechanism. It's great. It's got a great feel. It's very heavy. I love it. And just to give you an idea, ANSI or ANSI, I'm not sure how you say it, Z35712, just some numbers that are irrelevant to me. This is meant for climbing. I'm not gonna use it for that purpose, but I think it's great. It's a great carbon. It's got good weight to it. This thing, it's grooved, so you got some grip here for you to be able to slide down, push, turn, and push and unlock. Again, this weighs about 9 pounds. I'm sorry, 9 ounces, not 9 pounds. It's 9 ounces. It's very well made, actually, and it's made in the USA right there. It's lasered edge here. That's the manufacturer. So it's pretty cool. And just to give you an idea, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this pin so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. Again, this is helpful. The pin is helpful if you don't wanna have anything on the way here. If you wanna go ahead and use the entire frame without this, you can remove it. So once if it's on, you won't be able to move anything. But for example, picture this being it. So you can freely move stuff around if you don't have the pin. But let me go ahead and remove it so you see what I'm talking about. I'm going to use I believe this is a 2.0 Allen wrench. And this is my Rain Z knives screwdriver. Very cool. Anyways, one thing I gotta say on the picture on Amazon, it shows this set screw being a black oxide. I believe this is a stainless steel, so just keep that in mind. And I think I may need some pliers to remove this. It's not coming off easy, but it is made for that. This is the lock of this pin, so it doesn't come off. I don't believe I have. Let's see if I can remove it off camera. There you go. That's what it looks without it. %100% stainless steel. You can see some grease in there. That shows that it's locked. And then, of course, right there, it's unlocked. So I think it's great. I'm gonna carry this from now on. I'm gonna give my magnetron a little break. I'm gonna put it in the shelf for a little bit. But just for reference, I mean, it's almost the same size. Definitely the weight is significant. This is aluminum, this is stainless steel. This one is thicker than this one, so I would assume that the weight limit on this one is a lot higher than this one. But again, I don't use my carabiners for climbing or anything like that, though these are for climbing, so you can use it for that purpose. One thing I was gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and measure it for you guys. So I'm gonna get my Mi Tutorial caliper here to give you an idea. I'm gonna do inches. So this is about 2.64. Yeah, 2.62 by actually a big one. 440. 4 inches, 0.40. And then the thickness, you're looking at about, on the actual frame, it's less than ½ inch. It's about a little bit over 3/8. And then the locking or the gate, it's 0.81. So again, this is a very heavy carabiner. It's great, feels great in the hand. Even when you push this, even if you pull this down, you push, you won't be able to lock it. You have to push down, twist, and then unlock. There's nothing much to it. Just wanted to do the quick video. Like I said, I try to keep my videos around 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using this pin here, but I'm gonna keep it on for now. I'm gonna put back the set screw. If I can. That's it. This is the Rock Exotica stainless steel carabiner. Hope you liked the video. Please like it, subscribe, and share if you can, please. This is it for now. Bye now.